Skid steer loaders. As we all know that a skid steer loader is actually a tool carrier. You can add anything to your skid steer. So your offering when it comes to versatility on a skid steer is endless. Skid steer loader application in construction is just as versatile. From using the bucket as a front end loader, cleaning up dirt, loading gravel onto 10-ton trucks, put a little jackhammer on for demolition. So in the broader sense of things, your little skid steer is going to become your workhorse in your farming industry and in your construction industry. If you don't have a skid steer, hey, sorry mate.